Hey there, welcome to my Beyond the Screen vertical template. I want to give you a brief demonstration of what this can do. So looking into this template, there are a variety of cool layers that allow you to change and manipulate all the colors, text, things like that. First thing is that there are two really cool jumbotrons in this. We have an epic flat screen that has lots of room to include graphics and things like that, the name of your subject, text, and all that stuff if you want to, or you can keep it really simple and just do like a big team logo or even the team motto, a team picture, whatever you want in that background. I also, if I can shut that off, and I can turn on the tri-screen, which gives you three separate screens to insert different graphics in. So again, this does not have to be a logo. It can be a team picture, it can be the seniors, it can be whatever you come up with can fit into here. It's super easy to insert your own subject. Just shut off my sample subject. Simply have your own extracted subject. You can drag and drop them into the scene and then position them where you think fits. Obviously these colors look really good with this guy already, but I could certainly change any of these colors up. So lower color here, I could go with more of a light blue there. I could change this one to a yellow there, and all these layers are completely manipulatable. So for example, I can shut that one off and import my own team. Drag and drop that in and place that where I think would go well. And of course, this name text can easily change at the bottom if you're doing large volume teams and don't want to customize it to each individual person. I would suggest, for example, just including the mascot down here, so Wildcats, or just the team name, so Wilton Basketball, and then some extra graphics up here of just initials like WHS or the year and different things like that if you wanted to make it a little bit more generic to increase your speed for volume photography. This template is very high resolution, so you can print up to like 10-foot banners with this. It comes with automatic cropping guides that'll show you where, for example, a 3-foot by 5-foot banner will crop. And if you're printing any smaller size for parents, like 4x6s, 5x7s, 8x10s, if you keep everything inside those two guides here on the left and right, then you can send that to print and it'll just crop some extra room off those edges, but nothing important will be lost. There are even layers for hockey or wrestling mat options, and there's a full tutorial included with the instant download. This is an amazing template, and I know your subjects are going to love it.